What is going on, everybody? Russell here, aka Medic Magic, on my way to actually go do something pretty exciting today. Going to talk to some guys about some car cleaning products that you're gonna probably start seeing on the channel that we're gonna be using. They want to do some reviews, some stuff like that, so it's gonna be pretty cool. Get some products in, and I'll let you guys know what I think. Anyways, the point of this video, it has nothing to do really with cars or anything, my GTI, the S2000, and I hope this doesn't trigger too many people, because I'd really like to start breaking out and like kind of doing videos that basically trying to offer, not saying I'm super knowledgeable about things, but like things that I've experienced with. And if you're not into that, click away and come back later whenever we're doing car stuff. But I want to make a quick video, just talk about the fact that you guys that are out there making YouTube videos and might not be getting the traction that you want or what you need, or what, not feeling like you're making any progress. Teddy Westside, I'm sorry. No, I'm just kidding, Teddy. You're doing good, you're almost up to 200 subs. The point I want to touch on, the Russell rant I want to do today, which this is Russell rant number 001, is you never know which video it's gonna be that's gonna just take off and get you X amount more subs, X amount more followers on your Instagram, a spike in your revenue, things like that. What's really crazy right now, the most popular video I have out right now is the Apr Pops and Bangs video, which is just hilarious because I was so close to not even posting that video because I was so worried about what people would think, because all it is me laughing hysterically. The video is just me laughing hysterically, and it was a true reaction to the Pops and Bangs that was with Stage 2, and the fact that I had the muffin elite, which made it that much better, crazier. But I was this close to not posting it, just because I was embarrassed and I thought I looked like an idiot. I thought people were gonna make fun of me, which they did, and it's fine. But the thing is, like, just grasping, not caring what people think in a bad way. There was so much more positive that came out of that than negative, which that video has kind of over 30,000 views right now, 37, something like that, within like the last month and a half, which doesn't seem like that many views. I mean, but for me, who just started doing this about 6-7 months ago, to have one video in a month go up that much, when my normal videos are getting maybe 500 views if I'm lucky, like every night, is just insane. And the video before that, that was previously my highest ranked video, was my Apr Stage 1 just review. And it all comes down to the fact that those videos weren't out. The Apr Stage 1 review wasn't out. There wasn't any good quality videos when I was looking, and that's what kind of drove me to make that video, and that's why I think it spiked and did so well. But it was 6 months it took it to get 30,000 views versus this Apr tune video that only took about a month and a half to surpass that. So like I'm saying, just keep grinding, keep putting videos out. You never know which video is gonna take off. Like that video has probably gained me 1,000 subscribers, like not even joking. Just because there was a white space and there was a need for that video. I knew, and I kind of lucked out because I was able to do that tune and shoot that video within like a week of them releasing the cracks and pops, which anybody that has APR, anybody that has a Volkswagen and Audi, and had heard about that, it is of some type of, I don't know how you would say it, likes entertainment, likes YouTube, is gonna get on and tape it in. And one thing, you put a catchy thumbnail on there every day, as much as you can, and you never know which one's gonna be the one. So, I mean, I'm still waiting for my one video that just like skyrockets me into the next fucking dimension. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, let me know what you're thinking, and I'll see you guys real soon. Peace. Yeah.